Hi, this is Guide Info You, and we are now unboxing the earbuds TWS Q12. This is a Bluetooth 5.0 soft touch and very good quality stereo bass. Also, the design is very quality and very nice. If you see it, I choose the black color that can be done for not getting to see the dirty things on the earbuds. That's why I choose the black. But they had many colors on it. They had pink, white, black, and blue. If you see it on this is the color they had available, and this is made in factory of China. I tested already this one in very good quality, and also this a good quality budget also. I bought this one only as low as $10. Yeah, this is only as low as $10. See, if you see this, look. Now I'm gonna unboxing. This is the earbuds. I choose the black. They had USB Type-C cable for charging and the manual guide. The manual guide has a Chinese language, English, that you can read it, the manual, and how to operate by the touch of the earbuds. So see, they got the 44 level battery, and very tiny and nice, kind of soft touch, and that's it. Just subscribe in my channel. You can follow my unboxing another thing of electronics guide, and this is all the feature they had. This lock button mic and more hours battery life to use.